Welcome back to Where Am I Investing? If you're earning money but don't know how to start your investing journey, then this video is especially for you because that's exactly what we're going to discuss today: how to start investing and where beginners should invest. Let's begin with a very simple question. If you keep all your money in a savings account or a fixed deposit, do you think your money is growing? The answer is no. And the reason is inflation. If inflation is around 6% and your FD also gives around 6%, your real return is zero. Your money is not growing, it's just surviving. Investing helps you beat inflation, grow wealth over long term, and achieve important goals like buying a house, children's education, and retirement. That's why investing is important. Before investing, we must take care of two very important things: emergency fund and insurance. You should keep at least 3 months of your expenses in a savings account or a liquid fund. This money is only for emergencies like job loss, medical issues, or any urgent situation. If you want, you can even create an emergency fund of 6 months, which is even better. Then, health insurance is mandatory, and if you have dependents, you should also take term insurance. Always remember, investing without insurance is like driving fast without brakes. Now, this part is very important. As a beginner, please avoid Telegram or WhatsApp stock tips, day trading and options, putting all your money into a single stock, investing just because someone else made a profit. In my opinion, the best place for beginners to start investing is mutual funds. And why them? That's because your money is managed by professionals, your investment is diversified, and you don't need deep market knowledge. You just need to pick good funds. Some beginner friendly mutual fund categories are index funds, large cap funds, and flexi cap funds. Starting mutual fund investing is very simple. You can use apps like Grow, Zerodha Coin, ET Money. First time investors will need to complete KYC. For KYC, you will need documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card, and bank account details. Once your KYC is done, you can start investing through lump sum or SIP. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can begin with 100 rupees SIP or 1000 rupees lump sum. What matters most is consistency, not the amount. Start small and increase your SIP as your income increases, because starting small is better than not starting at all. If this video helped you, like this video, comment your thoughts below, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. I created this video because I received a question from one of our subscribers, Lakshmi Kitchen 2000, who asked how to start an investing journey and where to invest. If you also have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll definitely try my best to answer them, either in the comments or through a dedicated video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep investing and stay consistent.